welcome to Life with Jane. Today I thought that I would talk to you about some things that I've bought recently, why I like them, and a review that if you want to get them, then why I think they're good. And the first thing is these things. Okay, they're called Dr. Beckman laundry detergent sheets. Now, you know we normally buy and that's biological and that's non-biological. So you know normally we buy our laundry detergent in either little capsules that go into the laundry. We buy concentrate that you just put a little bit in and then it doesn't take quite as long because it's concentrated, so you get a smaller container, or you get the bigger containers with liquid in, or you get the powder. But recently I was shopping at my local supermarket and I saw these and I thought, oh, I might try those. So I bought the biological one to start off with because I thought, okay, fine, biological is really good for a lot of things. I do non-bio for sheets and quite often for underwear and things because it's more sensitive friendly, as it were, and biological and things, you know, you can do virtually everything else with it. So let me show you. Okay, this is the biological one, which is a pink one, and basically they are in a little sort of seal thing. And as I say, I'm not. This is my own review of what I think. Haven't been given them or anything like that. This is just my review of what I thought. Okay, so that's what they look like. You can see they're perforated down the centre. So you can use half a sheet. If you're doing a hand wash or you're doing a small load, you can use just half a sheet. I just use one sheet and I put the sheet in just in the washing machine, put the clothes and things on top and then wash it. And they work really, really well. Now they were, you get 25 of them. And they were £3.50 for 25. Now, most laundry detergent ranges from £5–7. You can get very small, or some of the non-branded cheaper ones for £2.79, something like that. But they don't take up any space either. So that's two lots. Of bio and non-bio, and they don't take up any space at all. That's my hand, so you know they are, my span is 7 inches, so you know they're not very big. And as I say, I just think they're absolutely brilliant. So if you haven't given them a try, I'd give them a try. The reason why they're really good as well is from a not using too much plastic, because obviously a great big container, you're using lots of plastic. The fact that, you know, yes, you've got this container which is plastic. I don't know whether it is, I haven't read to see whether it, oh yes it is. No, the actual laundry stuff I think is biodegradable. I don't know whether, I haven't read it. I will let you know on another one of my vlogs whether they are, the actual packaging is biodegradable. I don't think it is, but really, really good. Something to try. I've tried it and I've converted. So I now will only buy these rather than buying the big canisters. It also takes up such a lot less room, which is really good. Okay, number 2, another food item. No, that wasn't food item, was it? This is a food item. Cranberry ketchup. Now, I don't know if you remember, about a year ago, Aldi were doing banana ketchup. It sold out within a few days. and they didn't seem to get it back again. It was made all the news and everything. So I was in my local Lidl and they had cranberry ketchup. Now, I don't know whether they had it at Christmas time and I missed it, because you think of cranberries at Christmas time. But they were in sort of amongst the Easter bits and pieces, you know, and food and stuff for Easter. So, you know, maybe people have turkey for Easter or something there. I've no idea. I just thought, you know what, I'm not a ketchup person really. I like chutneys and things, so caramelised onion chutney, those sorts of things that I think are really delicious. But I'm not very much of a tomato ketchup person. Mayonnaise, yes, absolutely love mayonnaise. You know, I buy quite a bit of mayonnaise, but ketchup not. So cranberry ketchup, I thought I would try it. Haven't tried it yet, haven't opened it yet. I will let you know what it's like. So this is a new product, but I don't know what it tastes like yet. So I shall have to tell you. I think it might be okay. I think it'll be sort of sweet, maybe. Cranberries, not sure, we shall see, and I will report back and let you know what it was like, or I might put it down below in the description and let you know what it was like, but I'm sure it'll be lovely. So the third thing, and I briefly spoke about it on my vlog a few weeks ago, and this is, let me show you the outside of the box. Where is it? Let's get it the right way up without everything falling out. Okay, it's called Spartone, and it is, I know a lot of people are turning around and saying that once you hit your 60s, 70s, 80s, older life, that you get tireder more often. I haven't really, I must admit, I haven't really suffered from being overtired. I try and keep myself as active and busy as I can. I must admit, sometimes in the evenings, before I started taking this, I would doze off sometimes in front of the television and then wake up and go, oh, I missed that film or I missed that programme, because I just dozed off and woken up what I thought was only seconds later, but was obviously an hour, and I'd missed it. So a family member had suggested and had started taking this. And after they'd taken it, they were like, you know what, it's really good for energy levels. So I thought I would go into more detail on this. It's called Spartone. So it's quite easy to remember, Spartone. And this is the apple variety, because apple is a great absorber of iron. And it is something that has iron in it. So I'm going to take out one of these little sachets and show you. They come, whoops, right way up. They come like that. They're literally just a tiny little sachet full of liquid, and you can, if you're on the go, you can just tear it and drink it straight from there. I just use a little glass, pour it into the little glass and then have it. You're not supposed to eat for half an hour to allow it to absorb into your body. So I tend to take it at night. I take it just before I go up to bed and clean my teeth and do all of those things. So it's the last thing I do. And I'm on my second box now, and I must admit it has made a difference. Not a huge difference, but it has made a difference. So the right way around, that's what it is. Now I'm going to read you, because I think it's quite interesting what it says, and I need to get my glasses, so 2 seconds while I literally reach for my glasses, which I need to see to read things up close. So it says, Spartone iron-rich water is scientifically shown to be a highly absorbable source of iron. It is taking Spartone iron-rich water helps ensure you get your daily absorbed iron with fewer of the typical side effects associated with iron supplements. As you know, if you it can upset your stomach. So there is, I was going to read about it. So Spartone iron-rich water with vitamin C provides a rich source of iron that is gentle on the stomach and easily absorbed. It's a convenient way to take iron, and every drop of our iron-rich water is sourced directly from the Trefi Wells Spa in the Welsh National Park of Snowdonia. Now, it helps release energy and reduces tiredness and fatigue, supports a healthy immune system, and supports normal cognitive function. Iron contributes to normal energy yielding metabolism and normal function of the immune system, and it contains natural iron-rich water, apple juice, and obviously vitamin C and iron, so you need just one a day. So I like the fact that, as I say, it comes from a natural source. So it comes from Snowdonia. Snowdonia is Snowdon, the mountain, is the largest mountain in Wales, and Snowdonia is the area around where the mountain is. So it's beautifully pure, doesn't have any pollution or things like that, because it is an area that is of outstanding beauty. If you've ever been to Snowdon, you'll know exactly what I mean. It's a beautiful area. And as I say, I don't take iron tablets and things. I did when I was expecting my boys many years ago now. They're both in their 40s. So, you know, it's something that I haven't taken. But I always think, you know, if you are getting older in life, so, you know, I'm in my 60s, yes, I walk, yes, I'm active, yes, I'm fairly fit, but it gives me the extra reassurance that if I take it, it's not going to do me any harm, but it'll actually could do me some good, and is good for cognitive function. So I'm, as I've always said to you, once I've started talking, I'm all right, but I'm a bit of an ummer and an and an ummer and an because that's me. Says me. Part of it is, as you get older, it takes your brain a while to actually start functioning, to be able to put everything that you're thinking of into coherent sentences that people will enjoy. So that's part of getting older, that you're not as quick functioning as you were when you were in your 20s or 30s or even 40s. I'm in my mid-60s now. I've got my 70s to come and hopefully my 80s. And I just want to ensure that I have the best that I possibly can, to make sure that I have everything on, you know, together that I can. So 3 things to try. 3 things that, and again, I don't know whether you can get them anywhere else in the world. I think most of them you can probably only get them in the UK, but I know that people are quite interested in some of the things that I can get anyway. So, you know, they are things that maybe there's something that you've got that's an alternative to the laundry sheets. And maybe they've been around a long time in wherever you are in the world. Let me know. Be interesting to see. Maybe you take an iron supplement or any vitamins or supplements and things, and you know, you can let me know about that as well. All of those are things to add to our little community, but today it was 3 things to give a go of and see what you think of them. So as always, please stay safe and well, please be kind, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.